Na, nababaw ka balen? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Mama'sBoy Rice Bowl Toppings for sending us 4 of their rice bowl meals. Actually guys, available po sila via order and delivery sa foodpanda and GrabFood. Available po lahat ng mga menu dun sa mga ordering applications na yun. But to give you an idea, ito po yung mga available toppings or mga rice meals. So meron tayong creamy mushroom chicken, tasty soy garlic, super kare-kare, yummy shrimp curry, fab chicken curry, ginisang munggo, spicy Bicol express, spicy binagoongan, and spicy savor pinakbet. Now 4 of those amazing dishes and nandito po sa table natin. So this one is their spicy Bicol express. Ayan. Next is the spicy binagoongan. Ito yon guys. Wow, mainit-init pa. Can't wait. Next is the fab chicken curry. Ito yon guys. And then lastly is the super kare-kare. Ayan. So since hawak na natin yung kare-kare guys, umpisahan na natin dito. Oh. Wow. Whoa. I like it. Sarap. Yun lang nasabi ko guys. Ang sarap. Without any other condiments, no? Just as is. Ang sarap, grabe. Actually, parang okay na walang bagoong eh. Para sa akin. Salty enough. So, next I wanna try is this spicy binagoongan. Ayan. Ooh. This one is really interesting. Ayun. Wow. Gusto ko yung medyo merong fatty pork. Ayan. A little bit spicy. I actually like it. However, for me, I think for my taste, it's a little bit salty. Some will like it really salty. Me, yun yung preference ko. A little bit sweet, I also like it. Sa mga binagoongan lover dyan, this one's for you. Wow. Talong. I wanna taste next is yung kanilang Bicol Express. Again, this is a spicy flavor. Anything that has ginataan is a super duper favorite. Ang bango. Super bango guys. I'm not gonna lie, this super fragrant. Ang bango. Para sa akin, spiciness level, rate to 1 to 10, it's 4 and 5. Parang ganun siya. Let me get it. There you go. Ang sarap. So far, among the 3, dito pa rin ako sa kare-kare, number 1. So next and lastly is yung kanilang chicken curry. So you got your usual condiments or ingredients. Tikman na natin to. Oh wow, very Indian. Sobrang sarap nung actually yung pinaka rice din natin is very fragrant. Ang bango nila. Gusto ko yung pagkakaluto ng rice natin. Wow. Parang mukbang sila. Parang mukbang na rin to guys. More rice. Ayan guys, if you're to ask me among the 4 flavors na pinadala, which one's my number 1 bet, you go for the kare-kare. You are interested to taste this one, go grab your mobile phone, order na po tayo sa foodpanda or GrabFood. You can also check your fan page nila to know more about this. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, which I bet you did, please share this video. When you share po, tag nyo yung Where in Pampanga so that we can like your posts as well. Thanks so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I'm still gonna enjoy this guys. Peace out. I'll see you later. Bye.